Hey guys, so today we're going to show you how to do some silicone work on a balcony. So the gear you're going to be needing is you're going to be needing a rag to clean your tiled surface. You're going to need some soapy water. You're going to need your cutting tool for the silicone, another rag for the excess silicone. Your silicone, of course, make sure it's UV resistant if it's going to be on a balcony. Your caulking gun, your methylated spirits or acetone to clean the surface. So first we're going to get the rag with the acetone. We're going to dip some in, just like so. Then we're going to wipe the surface. Make sure it's nice and clean. The next step is now you're going to be applying the product. So you want to come nice and close. Start putting it in. You don't need to put too much. Less is more. And the next steps now is you want to get your soapy water and you want to apply it to the surface. Just like so. And you can either spray your cutter or you can get a bowl that already has it in and dip it in. I like using a bowl, each to their own. Find the size you want to use. I'm using number 6. Come in and you just cut like so. Now with the excess, you want to put it onto your rag, clean it, make sure it's clean. Next steps is I get my fingers, dip them in the bowl, or get the soapy spray and spray my finger. Come here and make sure it's nice and snug in the joints with your wet fingers, of course. Just like so. And because it's a balcony and it's got a skirting, I'm going to go on the top skirting as well. Top skirting, sometimes you don't really have to cut it. You can just sort of dip your finger and make sure it's spread nicely on the top.